Ooh. Okay.
Black Lions.
Should I say I'm raw like that? What's up, guys? This is your Sammy back with another video, and today, guys, y'all can see by the title. Now, listen, check me out, hear me out here. There's a couple videos with Kelly I'm supposed to be doing, but I saw that she sung this song, and I had to check it out and hear it because, like, this is one of my favorite Adele songs, and Kelly Clarkson singing it after that little Instagram fiasco. I gotta check it out, so I'm excited to hear y'all. But before we get into the video, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more of my videos. Also, let me know what other videos y'all want to see in the comments down below. Let's do this. Y'all, let's hope. I don't even want to hope Kelly do what she do because I already know she's gonna get me. I'm just excited to see if it's gonna be high pitch, a low pitch. Let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. Now. Okay, of course, a cute acoustic.
Let it fall.
Okay.
My heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it.
Okay.
It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me.
Okay.
My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Okay.
To stay in your
Okay. I like the tone with her. She met her own. Okay.
But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the
I love his Adele too, y'all. And I like that she got the color lights, you know, giving fire. Okay, come on. Okay. And don't think I don't hear the piano, because I hear you. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kelly, come on. I like that guitar too. Okay. Come on, Kelly. Okay, I like how she's doing it. It's really subtle. Ooh. Okay. Put a little spin on it. You know what I'm saying? Kelly really know how to do a cover. You feel me? Cause she not gonna do too much. And she not gonna do too little. That ending is a prime example of what I'm talking about. Like Adele, you know, the ending to the song, you know, she had that whole long note. Kelly made sure she hit the note, but didn't do too much to make it, you know, not too long. And she ate it though, she ate it. Y'all, let me know what y'all thoughts and opinions on this, cause I'm rating it a 10 out of 10 once again with Kelly. Covers are just her thing. I haven't seen a bad cover yet, honestly. They're all fire. Literally, like, Kelly. I hope one day I get to go to a Kellyoke just live, seeing Kelly, like, perform a cover, too. Her music's great, too, by the way. Her music is great, but a cover of somebody's song, seeing her put her own little style on it, and it still sound good enough for you to listen by yourself? I'm excited. Y'all let me know your thoughts and opinions. Like I said, in the comments down below. What other Kelly Clarkson videos y'all want to see me do? And I'm going to catch y'all for the next one.